Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll talk about this headphone which I recently bought. I would not say recently, I've been using it for more than 2 months I would say, and I'm just gonna share the long-term review of this particular headphone. So this headphone is Soundcore Life Q10. This comes from Anchor brand. This is a very good headphone. I have very positive reviews about it. So if you're interested in this topic and you want to know more about this headphone, or probably you're looking to buy a new headphone within like 2 or 3,000 rupees, just watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Okay, now I'll share my experience of using this headphone for 2 months now. I really love this headphone and I don't think I'm going to buy or recommend any other headphone within 3,000 or probably within 4,000 rupees of price range. I absolutely love them. The best part I love about this headphone is the battery backup. Okay, so basically I'm the person who usually do not prefer charging the batteries more often. That's why I do not use Bluetooth headphones, but it's not the case with them. So I've been using them for two months, and I think I have charged this one for like 2 or 3 times maybe, because I use them a lot. It's not like I do not use them. I use them every day. But the battery backup is so good. The battery backup is 60 hours, which comes with Type-C charging as well with quick charge. So once I get the battery 100%, I can easily stretch more than 20 days with this headphone. And I mostly pick calls and make calls on this one, and listen to music less often. Hence the battery backup gives me very good range. Talking about the design, this is completely built up of plastic. There is no metal use, it is only plastic. This might seem like a metal to you, but it is definitely not metal. It is just plastic. And but yes, this plastic is of very good quality. It is not going to break. You can easily fold this one. Now I'll talk about the comfort of this headphone. They are very comfortable because of the memory foam which they come with, and they have good amount of space for your ear. So if I wear this, it completely covers my ears, and it is not on the ear, it is over the ear, which means it is completely covering your ear. The cushion on the head is of good quality. No complaints about that. Usually you will see this kind of quality on the head with every headphone coming under 2,000 3,000 rupees. So say that this comes with passive noise cancellation. When I wear this, it eliminates most of the times most of the sound happening in my background or happening in my surrounding. Sometimes I'm not able to hear voice of the other person sitting next to me, and I have to just get this out to listen what they are actually saying. So yes, passive noise cancellation is definitely here. If you are in a surrounding where there is a lot of noise, probably in metro, probably you're in gym and working out, there's a lot of background music and background noise, or maybe you are in your room and you're getting noise from the television in the hall probably, and you just want to cancel out. So you just wear them and play some music, and you will not hear anything in the background, from the background basically. So yeah, noise cancellation done, comfort done. So initially when I bought this one, I had comfort issues because this is slightly heavy. I won't say it's too heavy, but it is definitely slightly heavy. And when I tuck this on my head, I felt like it is heavy, and I cannot just keep these headphones on my head for more than 30 minutes 20 minutes. But then I got used to it, and now I'm very comfortable in having these headphones on my head for more than 2 hours 3 hours. I can use them for a long time easily. Now let's talk about the sound quality. So this has this bass up button. This definitely works very well. This bass up technology from Anchor Soundcore is definitely working very good. You get that punchy bass, you get that loud bass, So this comes with 40mm driver, which gets loud, and this has high-res certification along with the bass up technology. So high-res certification, if you do not know, provides very crystal clear sound to the music coming out of the headphones, and it does stand up to the expectation of high-res certification. The clarity of the sound is very good. You can clearly listen to the sound, and you can clearly listen to the vocals. You can clearly listen to the background music or drum beats or any kind of music which is happening in the background. You can clearly listen to that with vocals. The bass is really good once you click on the bass up, though even on the balanced form. So this is bass up form. So even in the balanced situation, This works really well. This has good bass, and you'll be able to hear all the tones absolutely fine, I would say. Be it the mids, the highs, the lows, this differentiates all of them very well. Okay, and talking about the gaming part, yes, there is little latency because of the Bluetooth headphone, but if you are casual player and you just play sometimes and you really don't care much, you won't feel anything. For example, you're playing PUBG or Call of Duty and you really want each and every sound to be precisely there when it's happening, then probably you need to connect the 3.5mm jack lead which comes along. And that's the most interesting part. When the battery is low, just connect them, it will still work. So yes, if you're playing PUBG, you can probably connect the 3.5mm lead, and this will work, and you won't face any latency. But even without it, I've played PUBG or Call of Duty both, and this works well, I would say. I can guarantee that you won't face much of a lag because this comes with Bluetooth 5.0, which covers all that. Yeah, talking about Bluetooth 5.0, talking about the range, this claims up to 15 meter of range, but I would say 15 meter is slightly too much. I do not get 15 meter of range. It sometimes the connection breaks sometimes before 15 meters. Okay, so let me tell you the reason why I returned Boat 550. It's not a bad headphone. Let me tell you, it's a very good headphone. Right now Boat 550 must be priced at 2000 rupees, but during the sale you can easily get it for around 1500 rupees. That's fine. I have bought it for 1500 rupees, but I returned it. The reason I had to return it because I've done some more research and I found out that this one is better than Boat. Now you must say that this is selling at the price of 3000 rupees right now, and that one you bought it for 1500 rupees. There is no price, there is no matching for the price range. So why are you comparing with Boat 550? Why you returned it? Basically, you can easily grab this for 2000 rupees, and I have even grabbed it for around 17 to 1800 rupees. I'm not even sure. Just check the image for the bill. Connectivity is also good. I have faced no issues while connecting this to my phone. I have tried 4 to 5 different phones. I have tried my friend's phone, and I've tried almost every brand phone, and I did not face any issues while connecting this to any phone. So yeah, this is one of the con, that you do not have service center in your local area, in your city. It is just right now in Chennai, and you have to courier this to Chennai in order to get the get this fixed or get a replacement for it probably. But yeah, this comes with 18 months of warranty, which is a good thing. But yeah, the biggest con is that you do not have enough service centers in India right now for Anchor branding. You have to courier them. They will send it back to you in the given timelines. I'm not sure the timelines. I don't want to comment on that. I do not know anyone who has yet claimed any warranty on this one. The product is working fine for all of my friends who are using this one. Let's just hope for the best if you're buying this one. Okay, so this was my review talking about the final verdict. I definitely recommend these headphones if it is available under 2500 rupees. Sometimes you might get discount and you get this for 17 to 1800 rupees. This sells for 2000 rupees during sales. So definitely grab this if you're looking for a headphone around 1500 to 2000 rupees. This comes with tons of features at this price range. If you want to buy these headphones, I have given the link in the description box below. Just check it out. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends or family. Also, hit the subscribe button if you're new here and want to get updates on latest technology, want to see product reviews for like mobile phones, PC parts, or whatever it is. And do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any notification. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care.